Most self-improvement advice is a trap. Some habits you think will make you better actually make you miserable. Let me show you 3. Number 1, obsessive goal setting. Writing goals every morning sounds productive, right? But when you obsess over the future, you forget to live today. You trade presence for anxiety, and the more you chase perfection, the more you feel like you're never enough. Number 2, constant positive affirmations. Telling yourself "I'm amazing" 100 times doesn't build confidence. It creates a fragile ego. Because every time life hits you with a setback, your fake positivity shatters, and you spiral deeper into self-doubt. Number 3, hustle without rest. Waking up at 5 a.m., grinding 16 hours, sounds heroic, right? But without real recovery, you burn out. You lose your spark, your creativity, and worst of all, your joy. Hustle culture tells you exhaustion is a badge of honor, but it's really a recipe for misery. Real self-improvement isn't punishment, it's progress with compassion.